Yo, we're back. Again. Iron furnace. What does it do? I can keep doing this forever. What does it even do? Is it like make it... I think it makes it faster, maybe? Faster cook. What's this? Okay. Iron sickle. Sounds pretty awesome. How do you make that? Come on. Show me the crafting recipe. The crafting recipe. Show me the... Show me the crafting recipe, will ya? What's going on? Okay. Let's get out of this. Show me the crafting recipe. Iron saw. Do I need... I think I might need one of these, actually. Let's make one, just in case. Just to be on the safe side, let us make one. I think I know what it does. Wait, can I make a wooden one? Oh, man. I can make a stone one, though, I think. No. Saw. Oh, the lowest I can make is that. A chainsaw. What? You gotta be kidding me. How do you make a chainsaw? Ooh, chainsaw. Oh, well, that's a lot of stuff I don't have yet. Okay, let's think. Oh, it's getting dark. Make my house faster. Hall of rooms. Then I'll have this one. This will be my house. Put my door there. I'll start mining my way in. Alright, let's take this. Grab all that. Take this with us. I'll come back for you, Rose. You have been brave. Alright. Now let's make home base. This is going to be my room. I'll make the company farther into the mountain. Okay. Yeah, but last time you guys were here with me while I made some stuff. Or looked around, died twice. I will not die again today. I'm gonna make basalt just because basalt looks awesome. So I'm gonna go back and get some more basalt, even though it does nothing, I don't think. It does not build anything. I do not believe it builds anything. Okay, this is my mini room right now. Alright, let's put my chest here. Put my chest there for right now. Put some of this crap in it that I don't need right now. In you go. In you go. Furnace. Crafting table. Okay, no. Furnace. Coal. I need to make some refined iron, I think. Yes, I need to make a refined iron. Put another one in there just in case. But yeah. Because I need to make a generator. Let's check that again. Generator. Generator, right click, R. Yes, I need refined iron, 3 of it. Then I can make an iron furnace, which will be easier, or machine block will be easier. Let's go for the 3. Alright, now I need to make an iron furnace. So I need my cobblestone. Go. Place. Okay, iron furnace, there. One there. Move that there, and you have an iron furnace. Now, how do I make the last one? Oh, dang it, I didn't mean to give myself one. Click. Alright, there we go. R. Last one, RE battery. Come on. I need to make RE Priority battery. Here we are. Come on, how do you make one? Oh, there we go. Okay, tin, redstone, tin, and copper cable. Well, this sucks. Alright, let's put my iron furnace in here. The refined iron no need for later. All my trees are still out there, so I'm gonna have to wait till morning to get those. I don't think you guys really want to see me doing this, but I can't help you. Alright, let's cook some food. Actually, let's eat some food. I'm a little low on the old hunger. What is this? Flax seeds? What can I do with flax seeds? What do I need to make after? Okay, I'm gonna make the macerater. There we are. We need 3 flint, 2 cobblestone, machine block, and an electronic circuit. Copper cables. Okay then. And then I'm gonna have to make another machine. I'm gonna have to make a machine block no matter what, and cobblestone. So check. I got 2 cobblestone. What's my gravel? I only have 1 piece of gravel. I need more flint than that. I'm singing in the rain. What's my iron? Oh yeah, I used it to make the iron furnace. You know, I'm gonna use this. See what it looks like. How fast does it cook? That's not worth it. I'll put 1 stick in to see. Oh man. Well, it's fast. I'll give it that. I'll just wait. Can I break it with the? Yes, I can. Okay. I'll just stick with the. Jesus Christ, there's a creeper outside my door. How'd he get there? Okay, this is an emergency. Emergency, 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 emergency. Just use my warhammer. My battle axe. How do you even get out there? This is scary. Come here. Let's see what can I make from basalt. Basalt. Oh, I thought. Oh, yeah. Basalt. Wait, basalt brick cover. What's basalt brick? Basalt brick corner. What? No. Basalt brick. Basalt. How to make basalt? Cook basalt cobblestone. I don't think I need basalt brick though. Okay, that creeper is giving me the willies out there. How much time today? Oh, well, I can hear it. It's a very small room, I've just noticed. Okay, I need to make another chest. I'm going to, at least. I'm gonna need this. I'm gonna throw this at him. Put my valuables in here. I'll just put everything in here.